Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox SuperBlocks and Super Slide. So these are smart puzzle toys. They are very exciting because in this small toy you get over 1000 different combination, and it has also the lights and the colors. So it is very useful for your kids to play and learn with all these different combinations. So let's unbox this one and see what comes in the box. As you can see in the box, you will get this travel bag, instruction manual, which we will go through. I will explain in the video how you can play this game. So this is the device itself. This is the puzzle toy. We'll see how it works, and here are the items as well. So notice that here the batteries are not included because of the transportation, but of course you can buy, it requires these two batteries. So we'll see how it goes. So let's start the tool. So basically the tool is very simple but powerful, because in this one 8x8 combination you get like you can play 1000 different levels and combinations. So let's remove this one from the colors. So from behind we'll input the batteries. Like I said, they are not included in the transportation, but you can buy these everywhere. They are very easily available. To start the game, you press this button for a couple of seconds. So now the tool is on, and it will show you basically which level you need to resolve and which colors you need to put. So you see now it shows second level, and now it will show us where we need to put basically the toys to achieve that level. So you can see here what kind of things he require and which color. So if we place the tool properly, it will show us, it will not blank anymore. So you will see here like this, it will show only one, and that's fine. So let's try to put here like you see how it requires like this, but if we put it wrongly, you will see it is flashing, so it's showing that the brick is not placed properly. So if we remove it and place it like this, so now it flashes once and again it's fine. And let's see the final piece here, and then you see the level is complete. So to go to the next level, you can remove all of them, and then you see it goes to the third level. So what it will ask now is this one. Let's try to resolve this one. So it's still flashing, so let's see what is going on if we remove this one which we placed. And yeah, this one is fine now, it's not flashing. So let's return this one again. Yeah, now it's fine. So sometimes if it does not detect immediately, just remove the one and return it back. So again, to go to the next level, we remove all of them, and you can see fourth level, and this is what it requires. If you want to go to some other levels, you can just put here, you see fifth level, and let's see a bit more. So it will combine multiple colors. Yeah, now you see it's asked for different color, and if we go even more, it can combine multiple levels, like multiple colors in one level. So let's try to achieve. You see so far it looks only for the yellow color. Now it's for the blue color. See, now it's the green color. And you can see now combination of the blue and the green color. So now you need to combine both of them, even the green and the blue. And if you don't place them properly, again it will flash. You see, so here this will be the full, but it does not require red color. So that is why it's blinking. It does not ask. So it recognizes the color of the item that you put. Okay, so you can combine both blue and green color, and you can see now this is correct combination. So let's try to resolve the bottom one. And this is the solution for this level. So indeed, it is very fun to play around, and there is many combination available, as you can see, even with multiple colors for some tougher levels. And now let me demonstrate to you the other game, which is Super Slide. Now for the Super Slide, there is around 500 different combination which you can play, and the goal is to bring this red one here, and that will be the winner. But the trick is that you cannot lift any of these. They are magnetic, so you need just to slide them and to move this one, and here you will get the instruction manual. So let me go and show you how it looks. So this is the item, this is the tool itself. So let's remove this from the protection. This one I will keep until I put the battery. So what else you will get in the box? Also there is a travel bag, instruction manual, is a couple of more of these to play around. Remove this protective layer. So this is the one, and you can see they are magnetic, so they will not fall very easily unless you take them and push them out. So the goal is to slide this, but let's put the batteries here and see how the tool goes. So it requires two AA batteries, which you can buy anywhere as they don't come with the item. And to start the item, you press this button for 2 seconds. And the LED display will show you the levels, how you should put the items. So let's remove this and put exactly how it was asked from us, and then we will play. So the LED indicator will show you what kind of initial setup it requires for this level. So let's try to remove all of this and to put the setup that it is requesting. The good thing is that the colors are also in alignment with this one. So you see the goal is to bring this red one here. So we'll set up what it's requesting from us. Even this part of the game is kind of interesting. So let's put all of this. Okay. So this is the setup, and then once you put them all, you can start playing by removing, actually by moving all of these items. And then you see here, for example, I cannot put this one, so we need to find some other solution, which can be like this. And now we move this one. And that's the end of level 1, and now it is requesting a new setup. So let's try this one as well. Like this, and that's the solution of our level. So very interesting indeed, and if these levels are very simple to you, you can choose another level. You can choose even the challenge here, so it will have the so if you don't like this level, you can just click here, go to the next one, to the tougher one. And the two items which you can see here is this L, which is learning mode. If you press this button for 2 seconds, it will try to teach you how to move the items. And the challenge is, if you press this one for 2 seconds, it will kind of count time. So it's then how fast you can resolve the items. So indeed, amazing tools for even for the adults, and of course for the child's development. So if you like these tools, go in the link description and you can order them. You can see it is good even for smaller kids to play around, but just of course you need to be careful that they don't swallow these little toys. But you see, it's very fun for them to play because it has these LEDs, so they are enjoying to play around with the toy as well. But like I said, this toy is for 6+ years, so be careful with smaller kids. So this is my 2-year-old daughter, and let me now show you how they play in the airplane.
Thank you for your understanding.
So that will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you. Why you destroy it? It was very close. Think, it's only one left. Ah, well done. Good job. Now the next level is there.